Teen anxiety is a prevalent issue in modern day, with the pandemic robbing teenagers of many experiences, isolating them from their friends and disrupting their education. It is necessary to ensure teens are getting support they need for their anxiety. Anxiety is described as a feeling of worry or dread that something bad will happen. This can manifest in physical reactions like nausea, tension, shakiness, and the feeling of butterflies in the stomach. A person's teenage years can be considered the most formative years of their life. The influence anxiety can have on someone will vary. Sometimes it's not strong enough that they can easily work past it, but there are people who experience terrible levels of anxiety that they might be unable to overcome. There are multiple signs which means you or your teen are experiencing anxiety. There can be physical changes like skin starting to feel cold, having trouble breathing, sharp pains in the chest, or trembling of the voice. Or mental disruptions such as thoughts like thinking you will fail, wanting to isolate yourself, thinking that you are being judged. These thoughts can reflect in physical responses such as nail biting, pacing around the room, crying, isolating yourself. Things teens can do to cope are meditate, go out for walks, play with their pets, talk to a friend, talk to parents, play video games, and sing. Engaging in hobbies is a great way for teens to cope with their anxiety. To help yourself, you can also ask, what do I think I need to do to power through my anxiety? And reflect on ways you would like to cope. At our Carepatron website, we have a free worksheet for practitioners with teen patients who can use this worksheet to understand their anxiety. Go to the template section on our website. You can filter by category or type in the keywords to find a specific worksheet. Select template and then select your client. This will bring up the draft tab which lets you edit the worksheet to your needs. Once you are satisfied, press publish to complete.